I'm Giovanni. I'm 7 years old. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And let's get to it. And this is Joker. Look at that.
I'm gonna show my Archie this toy. It's gonna be huge.
And this is Joker. Look at that. Look at the little accessories. The movie is pretty cool. So it's 3D plus, so you can see that over. This is the back of the box, a little scene. It's cool. Now we should open it and buy DC Comics in the middle. Down DC Comics, and we should open it. Okay, guys, here it is. Oh, I just looked it up. Okay. Got this. This is the hat. Get it out. Here's get it out. Get it out. Is the Joker out now? Pretty hard to do. Oh, his head is super hard. You might want to hand this to an adult if they're like 3 years old. Even though you're 7 years old, you might be able to open it when you're like 8 years old. This is Joker, guys. And this the back of him. Let me just, I'll be back after this commercial break.
The clock is ticking. Parking is such a pain in this city.
Cool. Guys, I am back and this is what Joker. Look at that, guys. Scary white. With the camera.
What do you think this is, a joke?
Finally, I'm here. Put my bag down. My hat down. Maybe I should take some pictures here. Let's take some pictures. Maybe I should go outside. Take some pictures. Say hello to the world. Maybe I want to be a star. Maybe that won't happen probably. That will not happen ever probably. Let's just get my backside. Whoa. What is this? Wait, what? It's going in my camera. No. I have to throw my camera down. I'll get it off my neck. Please. Get it off my neck. Oh my god. What's happening to me? This looks like good world. Terror-wise. Maybe I'll be a star like I said. Let's just go get something. Oh, look! A bag. My bag he was. Now once I touch it, it will be evil. Okay. Now, every needing to terrorize a city called Gotham City. Now let's terrorize it. Oh, look, an evil hotel, they say. Okay, let's live here now. Take off my hat. I didn't. Okay, let's see. Let's pick out my bag. Just moved into this evil hotel. Now, let's just terrorize this hotel. One touch with everything, it's fully evil. Look at that person. He's big. He's acting like an Iceman. Should I touch him and he will be... ow! Oh! Ow! I tripped on my shoe. Why am I floating? Ah! Ow! Again? Ah! Why are you sticking it some more? Guys. And guys, like and subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!